Here's the first video for the backhoe for the farm channel. You'll probably see this only on the farm channel now, since this will only be at the farm. It's a Case 580K I bought for the farm last week. My buddy Charlie, Copperhead Marine, went and picked it up for me, and I'm just kind of, it's Saturday morning now. He went and got it last Saturday. Just kind of looking over it. I've played with it some throughout the week, just kind of giving it a good walk over this morning. I got to check the gear oil and in the front 4-wheel drive and everything. Check the antifreeze and the oil, and got to run it and check the transmission fluid and everything once it warms up. But hydraulic oil and everything seems pretty good on it, so I've been pretty pleased with it. Probably put 7 or 8 hours on it. Nothing's really leaked too. Haven't really seen any leaks on it. So the only thing we can tell that's kind of wrong with it is somebody has kind of ran it hot one time. The gauges don't work on it. Like I say, it's 25 years old, so somebody put in a manual one down there. It runs just a little bit warm. I've checked the air filter and try to blow it out this morning, but I'm gonna have to get a new one for it because evidently somebody put a new muffler on it. The old one was leaking. It's sucked a lot of soot and stuff into the air filter, so I'm gonna get another one for that one first next week. So only problem is, since they ran it hot, it's just a little bit hard to get started. So all it really takes is a couple little squirts of starting fluid. That's not too bad. I haven't used it in a few days. And it got down to about 25 last night. It's probably about 35 right now, so I don't think that's too terribly bad. I'll live with that for now. Everything seems good on it. I've still got one bucket pin I got to take out, get it to take grease. I've gotten every other pin to take grease. I gotta take that one. I gotta take the pin out and clean it out. I can't get it to take grease. I dumped some WD-40 on it. I'm gonna run and see if that'll break it loose or anything, but I doubt it. So let it warm up. I'm gonna go try it out for a little bit more.